Ready to unlock the full potential of Coinbase and master the world of crypto? First, create a secure account. Download the Coinbase app or visit their website and click sign up, filling in your personal details. Accurately verify your email and phone number to enhance security. Next, complete the identity verification process by uploading a photo of your driver's license, passport, or other governmentist ID, ensuring you provide accurate information to comply with regulations. Navigate the user-friendly interface, explore the Coinbase dashboard, familiarize yourself with the prices of various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and learn how to use the convert function. Fund your account by linking your bank account, debit card, or PayPal. Coinbase supports various funding methods, so choose the one that suits you best. Now you can buy, sell, and convert crypto. Select the cryptocurrency you want to trade, enter the amount, and choose your order type, market, limit, or stop loss before confirming the transaction. Level up with Coinbase Pro. If you're an experienced trader, explore Coinbase Pro for advanced charting tools, order books, and lower fees, allowing for more sophisticated strategies. Secure your assets by enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings to protect against unauthorized access, and consider storing large amounts of crypto offline in a cold storage wallet for added security. Earn while you learn. Take advantage of Coinbase's educational resources and learning rewards program to expand your knowledge of blockchain and earn free crypto.